Hello everyone, this is Mark here from the Shading Company in Pflugerville, Texas, where we just completed the installation of two exterior patio screens, motorized units. Customer called us because he's in the process of wanting to seal this back area up for bug control. We installed two universal screens, motion screens, one here in this big area here, and then on the left side. We're still in the process of completing the electrical aspect of it, so I'm just gonna shoot a quick video for the main unit that's currently powered on. The customer is gonna be installing a custom screen door on the right once we complete this installation. As I mentioned, it's a universal screens motorized patio screen, powered by Sunfeed RTS motors and Pfeiffer no-see bug screen. In my hand I have our master remote. I'm gonna bring this shade down so you can see how it operates. The shade right now is coming to its lower limit. Everything's sealed up nicely. As you can see, there's different levels of molding here on these columns, so we had to do a lot of custom cutting, sealing, caulking, to make sure that once the shades are down, this area is 100% bug free. Very visible screen in and out, very open to airflow, and it's a Pfeiffer no-see, so it's very small opening through each square. The unit got to its lower limit. I'm going to bring it right up. Very smooth operation, great work by our installation team here in Austin. And you're in the market for any exterior screening, either bug screen or solar screen or total blackout, don't hesitate to give us a call. Again, this is Mark from the Shading Company. Thank you.